What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going to go over Onyxcoin or XCN, which is up 0.2% today. We're at $621 million market cap, extremely small for a coin like this, in my personal opinion. Circulating supply of 33 billion out of 48 billion. All-time high in this was 18 cents. I think we can easily overtake that this upcoming bull run. An all-time low was a year ago. So Onyxcoin is currently available on the following exchanges: Coinbase having the leading volume, followed by HTX, LBank, Gate.io, KuCoin. Three different pages of exchanges. So if you want this coin, you can find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on XCN. All right, everybody, let's get into XCN. This is what we had drawn last time. We had the red box. This is the area that we had to overtake, and we actually got rejected right at the top of it, but I'm really not too concerned about that whatsoever. The whole crypto market is starting to pop off, and the indicators for XCN are looking fantastic on the day chart. You're actually getting ready to cross over bullish here on the MACD. Your RSI is starting to go vertical. What I want to see this RSI do is break out of this downtrend, which we're not even there yet. So it does show that there is going to be some more bullish momentum at play until we get to that resistance area. Look at the WTX. WTX has a nice V-shaped bottom. Hopefully this continues in and puts in a higher high up here, which would be indicative of this of XCN going up to the 618 at 2.4 cents. And that's the area we really want to focus on, is the 2.4 cents area. The stock RSI is still looking fantastic. We bottomed out just like we talked about. We have the normal bottoming of the stock RSI here with the blue crossing over the orange, and then it's starting to go vertical again. So in the meantime, yes, we are putting in lower highs and lower lows since April 12th, but overall, I think this downtrend is easily going to be overtaken, and we will be seeing a breakout most likely soon up to that 618 area at about 2.3 to 2.4, and that's to be the real storyteller there. That's the area that we want to overtake in order for this coin to start running really hard. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame's a little toppy. It's already showing that downtrend resistance area is kind of pushing us down. So what we're going to be looking for here in this downtrend on the short term is this convergence area right here, the uptrend support with the downtrend resistance. What we want to see is most likely a retracement down to 1.7, some consolidation, and then a blow up to the 618 at about 2.4. I'm kind of thinking that's going to be the play here for XCN. Let me see something real quick, see if this is actually valid as well. Yeah, this is kind of valid as well, dude. That's crazy. That uptrend all the way from April 2025, kind of same situation right there, down to that 1.7 cents range. So I wouldn't be shocked if we did touch 1.7 cents one more time until we pushed up to that 618 level of resistance. Overall, though, I think XCN's looking fantastic. High to low here on the fib, similar situation. You have that 2 cents resistance at the 786. So the short term is looking for a slight pullback. The day chart's looking crazy good, and of course the week chart is looking fantastic. The week chart is pretty much what I'm looking at for all my coins now. And like I've mentioned several times before, this is a giant cup and handle pattern forming, and I've gone over what a cup and handle pattern is on a couple videos ago. If you don't know what it is, just go to Google, type in cup and handle pattern, and you'll be super excited if you're an XCN holder, because it's looking like this thing's getting ready to rock and roll. And like I mentioned, I think this thing can easily go over 18 cents. Realistically, I wouldn't be shocked at all if it did go up to, $2. I would, if it went up to the 1618 here, about $2.50. Like, for real, guys. The small market cap has good utility behind it. High to low, that's 170x. I guess that's a little bit of hopium. If you want to keep it kind of realistic, the 1236 is up here at about 50. So 50 cents to $1 realistically. Then for you hopium guys, 250 would be the blow off top. So overall, XCN's looking fantastic. We're just finishing up our handle here on the cup and handle pattern, and eventually we'll be taking off to the moon. So with that, guys, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments, and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.